Today it's all about baking, and we're gonna make delicious peanut butter cookies. You're gonna love them. If you don't eat peanut butter, you can also use almond butter, no problem. So the main tip about baking is that we need to follow the rules. We need to make sure that we're very exact with our ingredients. So when an ingredient says 1.5 cups, we need to make sure that we do exactly that amount. So here's what we need for the recipe. 1 cup of smooth peanut butter, some vanilla extract, 2 eggs, a cup of sugar, and some salt for sprinkling. In terms of tools, all we need is a baking sheet that's lined, a fork, a bowl, and a whisk. So, general rule when you're baking is you always want to preheat your oven so that you're not waiting around for your oven to get ready. So before you do anything when you bake, you set your oven to the correct temperature. For us, it's 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So let's get started. As a general rule, whenever you have eggs in a recipe, you should try to put it in a separate bowl just to make sure you don't get any egg shell in there. Eggs are in their own bowl, no eggshells, and we're going to put it into our bigger bowl. And then we're going to whisk it up. So the next step is adding in our peanut butter into the same bowl with the eggs. Next up is some vanilla extract. It'll give these cookies delicious flavor. We need a teaspoon. And last but not least, our favorite thing, sugar. And you mix and you mix. Warning, you're gonna wanna lick this, but you definitely can't because there's raw egg. We'll just have to be very patient for the cookies to bake, but it only takes about 10 minutes, so it's pretty quick. Using any spoon you have, just get some in there and you plop it onto the baking tray. Make sure to leave space in between your cookies so they have room to grow in the oven. And then for fun, you can kind of put these nice prick marks on the top of your cookies. And don't forget to salt your cookies. We're gonna go into the oven at 350 degrees for 10 minutes. What do we do while we wait for our cookies to bake? We have a dance party with our doggies. Say hello, Soba. Yummy, yummy cookies. So easy. Thanks for baking with me. I hope you learned a thing or two and enjoy your delicious cookies. You did it! Bye!